Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Romani. If you're not sure who I am and you've never seen any of my videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. My channel is geared toward beauty, health, and empowerment. Today we have a health video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my detox water. So this is a detox water that I made yesterday afternoon, and it has pineapples and cucumber in it. It tasted really good, but my pineapple was very ripe, so it shredded a lot, and I didn't like that, so I'm not going to be using that in today's video. We're just going to do cucumber water today, but you can add any other fruits or vegetables that you want to. But yeah, let's jump into the video. So you're gonna need a cutting board, a knife, and a cucumber. So right now I'm just going to pour some of the water from the gallon into a cup, because when you put the cucumbers in it, it's going to fill up. And I just start cutting. And I'm just cutting thin circles. You want to make sure it's thin so it can fit inside of the bottle. And so now I take a cucumber and I fold it up and I slide it in. So you really want to make sure you're folding, because the big circle is not going to fit in the gallon. So you have to make sure it's folded. And so now I'm just going to repeat that until all of the cucumbers are in the water. Sick of doing the big circles, so just to fill it up a little bit more, I'm cutting them into little slices. So I'm slicing the cucumber, then I'm just gonna slice the circle in half, and that's a lot easier to put in. So if you want to do that method, that's fine too. And I pour the water back in. All of it's not gonna go in, but most of it will. And we're just gonna shake the bottle a little bit, so put it upside down, and you can do whatever you want. And this is how your finished product is gonna look. Like I said, you can use any type of fruits or vegetables that you want. I just chose to use cucumbers, but thank you for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful. Follow me on Instagram at XO_Romani.